Evening everyone, I am Aditya Singh and we are resuming our topic of organic chemistry and our next topic is heat of combustion of alkane. So we are starting our topic and first is C2H4 plus 3O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. Heat of combustion is inversely proportional of stability of alkane. If we and more stable product is tough to break down it. So next is just like here is 6 alpha hydrogen and here is 3 alpha hydrogen. And stability decreases when we go left to right, and HOC increases, stability decreases due to this phenomenon. And next is hyperconjugation in terms of bonding. First is a carbocation. Carbon has a vacant d orbital. If we हाइपर if अगर यहाँ पर हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन होता है तो ये कुछ ऐसा बनेगा. In carbocation, hyperconjugation occurs between pi pi bond with a vacant p orbital field. Next is free radical, partially filled p orbital. Again, it will form a double bond, and by breaking a carbon hydrogen bond, जब भी बॉन्ड बन जाती है उसमें 2 मॉलिक्यूल ऑर्बिटल होता है, एक BMO एंड नेक्स्ट एक ABMO. बॉन्ड बनता है ऑर्बिटल वैकेंट ऑर्बिटल. Just like here is a carbon hydrogen bond is ABMO of carbon hydrogen and rest ABMO of carbon hydrogen. Next alkene. If we break carbon hydrogen bond and make a double bond, then a bond will shift here and this bond will shift here, so that will be our product. And next is alkenes. Hyperconjugation occurs between sigma f orbital and sigma ABMO vacant orbital. Hyperconjugation two types: normal hyperconjugation or positive hyperconjugation. इन नॉर्मल हाइपरकॉन्जुगेशन sp2 वाले को sp3 वाले से इलेक्ट्रॉन मिल जा रहा, मीन्स that is sp2 and this is sp3. Here is sp2 got electron from sp3, so that is called normal hyperconjugation. And next is negative hyperconjugation or a reverse hyperconjugation. If more electronegative element when break more electronegative element and carbon between bonds, if we break, then more electronegative element take out their electrons from carbon. So then this bond will shift here, and when we shift here, then this carbon will get a positive charge due to electrons are either इसके तरफ से उधर तो नेगेटिविटी will decrease and positivity automatically increase, so that carbon will got a positive charge. And here is the same structures. Next, negative hyperconjugation. When sp2 hybridized carbon attached to sp3 hybridized carbon having say cx bond, more electronegative, x is a more electronegative atom, then this cx bond takes electron from sp2 hybridized carbons, same as we told you. sp3 वाले को sp2 वाले से इलेक्ट्रॉन मिल रहा है, so that's called negative hyperconjugation. Next is a resonance. When one structure of molecule cannot explain all properties of molecule, then different structure of drawn from sets of rule structure form are called resonating structure. Phenomena is known as a resonance. Means if any atom in any atom is not explaining it, specific atom not structure not explaining all the properties of atom, then draw following sets of rule form called resonating. means उससे रेजोनेंस कराया जाता है, तो सही मतलब शिफ्टिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, रेजोनेंस, just like CO3 2, here is a COOO, here is a double bond between carbon and oxygen. If we make a double bond in this area, then carbon consists only of four bonds, then this bond will break and go to oxygen, and ऐसे ही करके टिन स्ट्रक्चर बनता है, जिसे रेजोनेंस कहा जाता है. मूवमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन और अ लोन पेयर. जब भी रेजोनेंस होगी तो आइदर लोन पेयर कन्वर्ट्स टू बॉन्ड पेयर और बॉन्ड पेयर कन्वर्ट्स टू लोन पेयर, और bond pair convert to bond pair also. How to find when a resonance take place? Pi sigma and pi vary naughty purple full time vela punti, means that's a start trick to memorize how to resonance take places. Here is V stand for vacant orbital, N stand for negative, H stand for heteroatom, and P stand for pi bond, and F stands for free radical, and T stand for vacant orbital bond pair, and V stand for vacant orbital or charge of carbon. So if we start first, vacant orbital means bond pair to bond pair, bond pair convert हो जाएगा. So here is a C double H CHH double bond CHC, positive charge HH. Here is a positive charge. If we want to neutralize this positive charge, then this pi bond convert to another bond pair to this, and this carbon get positive charge. So here is a structure. If we make a resonating structure, then we get this resonating hybrid structure by the dotted line. This is a resonating structures of this atom. Vacant p orbital resonance pi sigma vacant orbital, then displaced resonance occurs pi sigma. Now vacant orbital means there is no resonating structure, and pi sigma. In boron there is a vacant orbital, so and here is a resonance structure occurs. Here is also occur. Next, pi and sigma नेगेटिव चार्ज और लॉन पेयर स्टार्ट करना, जहाँ पर नेगेटिव चार्ज और लॉन पेयर बॉन्ड पेयर में कन्वर्ट हो जाए या बॉन्ड पेयर लॉन पेयर में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. Here is a extra negative charge. If we convert this negative charge to pi bond, then this pi bond will break down by because of carbon consists only 4 bonds, so there is we got a negative charge. If we draw a resonating hybrid structure, then we got this. Next, here is a resonance occurs. Next, pi and sigma heteroatom. कोई भी एटम जिसका ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट है बट स्टिल हैज एन लोन पेयर, just like this octet is completed but still has a lone pair. Then just like the example CH2 double bond CH and H double H, here is a lone pair. To convert to bond pair, this pi bond will break, and then we get a negative charge above the CH2, and we will get positive charge. Here is a resonating structure of CH2. And there is no resonance because of only of lone pair. There will be resonance because of lone pair sigma pi bond. Lone pair sigma pi bond will be resonance. Here will be resonance. So thank you for today.